A high-tech robotic arm may be the helping hand that patients with spinal cord injuries need to make their lives more independent. The rehab team at the Orlando Health Rehabilitation Institute and the Assistive Robotics Laboratory team at the University of Central Florida are evaluating technology developed by the university to operate the robotic arm.
It's a device that will help, we're hoping, patients with spinal cord injuries, in particular those with spinal cord injuries in the neck, to be more independent.
The technology is designed to help those with spinal cord injuries and limited arm function use the robotic arm to complete everyday tasks like feeding themselves, pouring a drink, or opening a cabinet.
What we did is, based on this robot arm, we put our own software like interface and sensors and some image processing to help the people and the robot together, to do some tasks in a very easy way.
The value of this type of technology in a person's life is beyond measure. Study participant Del Miller, who has lived with a spinal cord injury for 32 years, shares more about the possibilities the robotic arm brings.
It was a unique experience. I can see a lot of good possibilities for it, where it could, people get employed and need jobs that they couldn't otherwise attain. It could do many things for you in your home to take the load off the people that are helping you and make you feel more independent and make life easier.
During the research, Dell and other study participants worked with the UCF and Orlando Health teams to evaluate two types of software, Cartesian mode and auto mode.
One is a mode where the subject has to control each movement. Move the arm forward, stop. Move it left, stop. Turn the wrist clockwise, stop. In the automatic mode, the patient will use something like a joystick and a mouse to identify an object on a computer screen, on a monitor, that they would like to pick up. And then, having identified that object on the computer screen, the Manus Arm with its computer will calculate the necessary path to go and pick up that object.
The Orlando Health Rehabilitation Institute rehab team noted positive feedback from participants.
A lot of the patients were very eager to be a part of it, and they were so excited. I mean, most of them said, "Can I take this on with me?"
Most of the patients are really excited, and they have mentioned different things about how they would be able to use that or use the device in their daily life.
Imagine for a minute, if you can, sitting in a chair and not being able to move. You can do it for 30 seconds. You can do it for a minute. Do it for hours on end. You're going to get hungry. You're going to get uncomfortable. Your options are limited.
Study results will help determine which candidates may benefit the most from this technology and which software makes using the robotic arm most effective and efficient for independent living.
I would like to think that once this project shows benefits, that others will take it further and actually start to attach them to powered wheelchairs and maybe make them someday in the future a standard part of a powered wheelchair for a patient with a cervical spinal cord injury.